Hello friends, we are going to discuss the difference between break and continue statements in Python. The break statement, if it is encountered, it exists from current block or loop. Maybe in the if or else block or any loop, it transfer the control out of the block or loop. But the continue statement keeps the rest of the code inside the loop for current iteration and jumps to the next iteration of the loop. It won't terminate the loop. It just skip the remaining statements after the continue statement and transfer the control for the next iteration of the loop. In a break statement, control passes to the next statement after the loop. In continue statement, control passes at the beginning of the loop header. Break terminates the loop. Continue statement never terminates the loop. These are the difference between the break and continue statement. Now we will see a demo. Print the break statement. Now I am writing a for loop for I in range 1, 11 colon. Here the for is a keyword, I is a loop variable. Range function generate a list from the starting number to the ending number -1. That is second parameter -1. So a list with the value 1 to 10 will get generated. The loop variable take one value at a time from the list. The in operator helps for this purpose. Initially, I will take the value 1, next iteration 2, 3, and so on up to 10. The loop will execute for the 10 time. Now I am writing a body of the loop. So how to give a tab space to mention the statement inside the body of the loop. Here I am writing if condition if I double equal to 5 break. When the value of I is become 5, the equality operator become true and control will come inside the body of the if loop. Break statement will get encountered. The break statement transfer the control out of the for loop. Now I am printing print I. So how it will work? Initially I will take the value 1. It will check 1 equal to 5. That means equality operator. No. Then control will come to the next statement and print I. After that I will get incremented by 2. The print statement will get executed. When I is become 5, I double equal to 5 is true. Break statement will get encountered. If the break is encountered, the control will come out of the body of the for loop. Now I am going to write a example for the continue statement. Print the continue statement. Here I am writing a for loop for I in range 1, 11. Here if I double equal to 5 colon I am giving continue. So what will happen? The range function will generate a list from 1 to 10. I will take the value one by one in each iteration. When I is become 5, the continue statement will get encountered. If the continue statement will get encountered, the control again transfer back to the loop header. Followed by I am printing print I. So how it will work? When I is 1 in initial stage, I double equal to 5 is false. The control will come here and print I 1. Next iteration 2 will get printed. Likewise, 1 to 4 will get printed. When I equal to 5, the continuous statement will get encountered. The control will again transfer back to the loop header. That's why the print I will not get executed. After that, I is become 6. Then it will come here and check 6 double equal to 5 is false. Come here and print. Likewise, the value 1 to 10 except 5 will get printed. Now we will execute the program and check the result. See, initial level in a break statement when I is become 5. When I is become 5, the break is encountered. That's why the control will come out of the loop. Only the values 1, 2, 3, 4 are get printed. So this is the nature of the break statement. In the continuous statement, we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. We don't have the value 5. Why we don't have the value 5? See here, I w equal to 5 continue. Control will transfer back to the loop header. Now I will take the value 6. So remaining value 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are get printed. Only the value I is skipped because when the continue statement encountered, the statement after the continue will get skipped for the current iteration only. Control will transfer to the next iteration. So the value I is not printed. Control will again transfer back to the loop header. I will take the value 6. So the remaining value got printed. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.